On Wednesday, members of the 549th Transportation Co. received training on a high-tech unmanned aircraft system, the RQ-11 Raven. Sergeant Matthew Hare led the field exercise.
Today we're conducting some UAV training with the Raven aircraft right now. And this is the first time we've had some downtime where we could actually come out and practice with the Raven and some of its functions and stuff that we haven't used in a couple months.
The Raven is used to conduct remote surveillance in dangerous zones so that soldiers do not have to enter the areas.
Myself and a few others were getting familiarization on the Raven class, just showing us how to set it up and how to fly it, how to use it, aspects of it, what it's good for, as far as safety in our convoys. Help us give us another tool to help us out for security when we go on our convoys up north or south on missions.
Your question to go out at this time, over. So we're good. Roger, Tango Mike.
Easy to put together. Not as complicated as I thought it would be. The setup is more complicated than putting the plane together and getting it going.
Each Raven cost about $35,000, but the entire system cost $250,000.
Importance, very important. As far as, for example, if we run overnight, it's a good tool, because if we're running overnight and we have insurgents or personnel watching us, we can get a good look at them, see what their kind of activity, is, and make sure that they're not front-loading IEDs in front of our convoy.